Yeah, how is the promotion going on? How much hit it would be?
How much of a hit it would be? I mean, I hope it's a big hit. But you know,
Yeah,
that depends on people like you and people who watch it. And I hope you guys like it. How big a hit it's going to be, you know, is very difficult to tell. But I can tell you that it's a
yeah.
film that we are really proud of. And I'm
Okay.
usually very critical about my films, but you know, this is one thing that I'm really proud of.
Okay, I want to know they like what age of you right now, right?
And one of them is John Abraham.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions? You've been around for quite some time.
Hi Kunal, this is Nidhi.
Hi Nidhi.
I really like your work, and I mean you're very good looking as well.
Thank you.
So we want to see more of you. You've been, out of movies for a long time. Why is this, gap?
Well, you know, I'd like to be seen more often as well, but unfortunately, what happened is the sort of scripts that I was looking for, I wasn't getting. And the last whole year has gone into Love Shab Chicken Khurana. You know, working, putting it together, getting Anurag on board, getting Huma on board, you know, putting the movie together and stuff. The last 1 year has just been about Love Shab Chicken Khurana. But I'm going to be seen more often now.
Definitely, we want to see more of you.
Thank you. I will be seen more often.
3 times. To see more of him at the moment, Love Shab like 3-4 times.
No, the promos are very promising, so I'm definitely looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's a fun film. I think you'll enjoy it a lot.
Hello, Huma.
Yes.
Now you can hear us? Okay.
हाँ, so actually chicken is just incidental क्योंकि पंजाब में लोग चिकन खाते हैं बहुत सारा, लेकिन पिक्चर का नाम लव शब पे पनीर खुराना भी हो सकता
I
था.
cannot say anything or any video is not visible.
लव शब पे आलू खुराना भी हो सकता था. I mean कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तो वेजिटेरियंस बिल्कुल देख सकते हैं पिक्चर को. वो चिकन तो है just a metaphor for a lot of other things. Cooking is a metaphor for a lot of other things. And पहले तो हमने सोचा था पिक्चर का नाम लव शब पे भिंडी खुराना रखेंगे, लेकिन फिर हमने चिकन खुराना पे सेट किया.
But what do you prefer, भिंडी खुराना or chicken खुराना?
Chicken should be paneer.
पनीर खुराना.
पनीर खुराना.
आपके लिए हम लोग स्पेशल वर्जन बनाएंगे.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Huma ma'am. I like your smile.
Thank you, Rashi. Thank you so much. You also have a lovely smile.
Thank
Your
you.
screen is a little blurry, but I can just make out a big
the camera clear. I want to ask, what's the movie all about? What's the story?
The story is about, it's about this recipe that's lost, that the head of the family knew how to make, and it's the most amazing chicken dish in the world. And now the recipe is lost. And Kunal's character is a brat and a fraud who has gone away. He's run away from home, and now he's come back after many years, and he's trying to find the recipe. And all of us are helping him in some way to find the recipe.
It's also about family, and it's also about coming back to your roots. How that is really important.
Kunal, there was a movie few years ago called Run, in which the characters were served kawa biryani instead of chicken biryani. So is there something like same instead of the chicken throw at something like that?
You've had kawa biryani, you said. What is it?
No, there was a movie few years ago called Run, in which the character was served kawa biryani.
नहीं हमारी पिक्चर में कौवे का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है, लेकिन उसकी बिरयानी बिल्कुल नहीं बनती.
Kawa is a live character in the film. There's no biryani of the kawa. Oh, you got confused because in the poster, in the center is the kawa, and niche is like the center is the murga, and the niche is the crow, right? That's why. But the kawa is a very real character in the film.
Okay, so I just want to make a little thing is that guys, those of you who are watching this but can't be part of the video, just click the name of the video, which is Hangout with Huma and Kunal, point below. Yeah. Once you do that, type your question to the right, and we will answer your questions. And of course, you'll have to log into your YouTube account as well. So those of you that want to be part of the chat and can't just send in your questions and stuff.
Hello, Kunal.
Yeah.
I'm Mahesh.
Hi Mahesh, how are you?
I'm fine. I have a question for you.
Sure.
Why didn't you act in any movies for the past 2 years?
Well, why didn't I? I actually did a film called Dawn 2.
Yeah.
The only thing is that I've been, I haven't been around for a really long time, as in like doing interviews, been in the press, because the last film that I did interviews for was a film called Lamha.
Yeah.
So because I haven't been around in the press for a long time, people assume that I haven't been around. But I've been very much here, and in the last 1.5 year, all my energies have gone into Love Shab the Chicken Khurana. Like I said,
But
I had a sort of hand in putting it together. So all our energies have gone into putting this together and shooting the film, and now bringing it to you in a week's time. So
Sir? Hello?
Rashi?
Hello?
Yeah, Rashi.
Actually, my mama is a big fan of Kunal sir, and today's her birthday. She wanted you all to wish her.
oh sure, where's your mother? Is she around? Can we see her?
Can we
Yeah,
sing for her? We'd love to wish her. We'll sing for her also.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. We all can sing for her. Yeah, come on.
Happy
Happy birthday, dear
dear
Auntie.
Rashi's mummy.
Happy birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday to you.
Sorry, I'm बहुत खराब गाना गा रहे हैं actually, but विशिंग
दिल से गा रहे हैं हम लोग।
हाँ दिल से गा रहे हैं।
Thank you so much.
All right, have a great year.
Kunal, I read somewhere that you are a trained pilot. Is that true?
Well, not completely trained as yet. I'm still training to be. It's something that was a hobby of
I'm
mine.
not flying with you then.
I'm sorry.
I'm not flying with you then.
Nobody's flying with me right now. But soon enough, I'll be a trained pilot soon enough, and I'll get my license soon. Then maybe I can take one of you guys for a flight.
Please take me.
I will.
Yeah, but he promises and he's not like, I don't remember, like you haven't taken anyone for like a
No, but I have to get a license. I can't take people for a ride. I can take people for a ride, but I haven't taken people for a flight.
ride.
Yeah.
Great.
Why can I can
For a ride, basically.
Yeah, bilkul, like a ride.
basically like
Yeah.
what we want.
Actually, Huma Qureshi can take people for a ride on the scooter. As long as you don't want to, as long as you come, the thing with Huma Qureshi is you ask her to ride the scooter sitting, but she comes back lying down. And she does wheelies and skids, but she doesn't intend to.
I'll tell you what happened. I ride a scooter, like a scooty. So I learned how to ride it in about 6 hours, which is really good, right? And from point A to point B in a straight line, I can sort of ride it fairly well. But these guys were expecting something else from me. They thought I was some sort of Schumacher. Like I could, go really fast. I could take turns. I could ride in the fog over Keychard and everything. So, and in one of the scenes in the film, I'm supposed to ride with Kunal sitting behind me, almost like someone standing behind me. And I ride, I stop, we do the scene, and then I'm supposed to turn it back and take it वापस. So, अब scene खत्म हुआ, वो सब वहाँ तक ठीक हो गया, and then I was turning it, so I fell. And Kunal is running and instead of helping me, like, up, he's laughing. He's like, oh, you fell, lag gayi.
That was my way of making her feel comfortable, actually. Like, it's okay, it doesn't matter, happens.
They were laughing at me, yeah.
But I should get a bravery award because I had to sit behind her after she had learned in 6 hours. And I can assure you, even if it's a girl that's as pretty as Huma Qureshi, you don't want to sit behind somebody that's learned riding a scooter 6 hours
But
back.
Kunal, I mean, you're blessed with such long legs. You will never get hurt because you will just be like sort of always. You can always stand, I guess.
Like balance.
Just like balance yourself.
And of power, the scooter can get past it.
Sorry?
Aman, can you repeat the question?
So riding a scooter is really tough, I know. Not just playing a prank. Riding a scooter is really tough. It's a commendable job if you did.
Thank you. I'm glad you think so. That I did a commendable job.
Well, she's going to take you for a ride the next time.
Yeah.
I'll find out how commendable it feels.
I think
No
my
worries.
next in my
I would
next
love to
film,
have trained enough people to be comfortable.
You'd love
You'd
to.
love to?
I said I would. Yeah, because I've trained enough people how to drive scooters and motorcycles, so I'll be comfortable.
Good, so you can train Huma Qureshi as
So my
well.
next film, if I'm riding a scooty, we'll call you.
And once she's trained, just let me know so that in case I have to sit
I
behind
think
her, I
next
know.
time Kunal has a film with me, put in the contract. No scooty scenes.
No scooty scenes and no
scooty
cooking scenes.
No cooking scenes also. Because both things we can't do. Can you drive a scooty?
Yeah, of course. Come on.
Oh, yeah, you can. But it was really funny because when we were doing the scene, so in the shot I drive till the point and we had to go back. If you had to take a retaker to go back. So we would change positions and Kunal would drive me back and give me the scooter and then just for the shot I'll drive it again. It was
Actually,
actually
Mama
really
also
funny.
can't ride a scooter.
Oh yeah.
I was stuck behind two people that can ride scooters.
There was another character in our film, Titu Mama. You must have seen him in the promos. He's just little mad Mamaji in the film. He's brilliant. So he also cannot drive a scooter and Kunal had to sit behind him as well. He also learnt in like 2 days, I think.
He learned in like half an hour. It's a record on this film. 6 hours and half an hour.
I thought I won. Like,
No, he beat your hands
he
down.
beat me and-